Welcome back to Kwame Nkrumah Studio. In this video, we will be going to download and install OBS Studio, free software used for screen recording and live streaming. Before we start, if this guide helps you, go ahead and subscribe to support the channel. Alright, let's get into it. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whichever you use. In the search bar, type obsproject.com and press enter. This is the official OBS website. On the home page, click download button, depending on the operating system that you are using. You just be sure you select Windows if you are on Windows. For Mac or Linux, choose the version that applies to you. Click download installer and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, you go ahead to the download folder and double click on the installer file. Click next, then I agree to accept the license agreement. Click install and give it a moment. After installation, click finish and OBS will launch automatically. You will see something called the auto configuration wizard. Choose optimize for recording. If your goal is to record screen tutorials or gameplays, OBS will automatically test your system and apply the best settings. You'll see the main dashboard with screen, sources, and audio controls. In the next video, I'll set up screen recording plus microphone for clean, high-quality tutorials. Thank you for watching Kwame Nkrumah Studio. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe so you don't miss the next setup guide. See you in the next video.